Good morning, it's Mary Ellen from the channel Mary Ellen After 60. And today I'm here basically to talk. I do want to announce the winners of the giveaway. Today is Wednesday. The giveaway's not over, I think, until Friday. So I'm going to insert the winners somewhere in here. That's why my voice sounds different when I announce winners, because I get the video completed and then before I upload this on Sunday, I'll have the winners in here. Before I announce them, I just want to say something else about Emily Emily Noel 83, her palettes. I went to a Catholic school, and I blame my mind sometimes on that. I'm not a prude whatsoever. And a lot of times my mind is in the gutter because everything was just like, you know, a big deal back in the day. But so many shades of lots of different products. The names of them just really surprise me. It doesn't keep me from using it or buying it, but I tell you, sometimes it keeps me from talking about the shade. I'll just put a little dot in it. But I just want to mention, and I mentioned it slightly before, on Emily's The Needs palette, every word is what we need. You know, we need love, we need faith, all just beautiful words. And in her Once palette, that I think has 24 shades, every name is a nice name. There is nothing the least bit vulgar or suggestive. And I just wanted to mention that. And before I start talking, I want to announce the winners of the giveaway. The first place winner will receive the eyelid primer, the Needs palette, and the set of 5 EcoTool eye essential brushes. And the second place will win the Needs palette and a set of brushes. The first place winner is Jody P. Congratulations, Jody. You win the Urban Decay eyelid primer, the Needs palette, and the EcoTool brushes. The second winner is Betty Roberts. Congratulations, Betty. You win the Emily Noel Edit palette and the EcoTool brushes. Just both of you leave a comment below and I'll let you know how to get in touch with me. Something else I wanted to mention. The next time I do a giveaway, it's going to be open for 3 days. I would say 99% of the people that watch me within those 3 days. And that way, since I have committed to making a Sunday video, no matter, and I get up super early, if I upload an extra video on Tuesday or Thursday, I have time to do the random comment picker. If I have my video done like this, if I do one on a Thursday, I can have the winner by Sunday morning. So I just thought I'd mention that. Okay, what I want to talk about is being grateful. I absolutely loved reading all the comments, and they're still coming in on my giveaway for the palette I just gave away. I think being grateful is such a game changer in life, and I absolutely loved reading your comments. People who have watched me for some time, I'll tell you where you can skip ahead, but I'm going to share the story of what made me become a grateful person. So be looking for that time somewhere. I can remember the year, I can remember what I had on, and I can just remember the night that this came to me. It was in 1984. I lived in a big 2-story home. I was single with 2 children, and they were busy children. And I was absolutely overwhelmed with working full time, getting my children everywhere they needed to be because they were very active, just trying to raise them alone. Well, one day I was just absolutely overwhelmed, and I went and I sat on my steps outside. And I lived close to the local hospital, so there was lots of cars going back and forth. And it just dawned on me that everybody that went by that house probably would have liked to have had the problems that I had. So from that day forward, I've always believed in prayers. I've always said morning and nighttime prayers. But from that day forward, before I get out of bed in the morning, after I say my prayers, I just start counting everything that I am grateful for. And it's always something different, you know. I mean, it can be something as small as having a trash barrel in my alley so I can put my trash. You know, sometimes I just have to get down to the nitty-gritty because life isn't always easy. Life isn't always perfect, and everybody has their own struggles. But I will tell you, no matter what has happened in my life, it could always have been worse because I have faith. And faith and gratitude to me, and integrity. Integrity is my number one character. I mean, besides God, you know, I think integrity is the most important thing to have. So I don't write them down. I think of them in my mind. If I'm by myself, if Jim isn't in here with me, I'll say them out loud. If I'm not, I just say them in my mind. And I sleep great. And I don't have bad dreams. I mean, I may have a bad dream a couple of times a year, something that just kind of disturbs me. But I just wanted to share that with you. I think I have the best subscribers. I just think the world of you. I do. Now I'm going to put a screenshot of something that has really been affecting me. And this is the dew point. And this summer, you can see what is considered comfortable, what's not comfortable, what's normal. This summer has been the worst dew point that I can ever remember. We have consistently been in the 70s. Today, it is supposed to reach 80. Last summer, I don't ever remember the dew point being that high. We had 2 days that were really nice. It was about a week ago. And the humidity was 100% and the dew point was 53. It was wonderful. As long as the dew point stays low, I do great. If it is high, I don't go anywhere. And you know what? I'm really grateful that I don't have to go anywhere if I don't want to. There are very few things that I have to get out and do. You know, we have to have groceries, but I'm very thankful and grateful that Jim likes to go grocery shopping. I don't like to shop for anything. But I just thought I'd mention that to you because the way I understand it, the way I think of it is, you know, the humidity is the percent of water in the air, and the dew point is how thick it is. So when the dew point's high, it affects me and it affects how I feel. And I'm so grateful that we have central air. There's people that do not have air conditioning. There's people that don't truly have a roof over their head. So I am very grateful. This is early morning, and today I don't have on any makeup. I don't have on any pore defender. I have on mascara. I'm trying the black Urban Decay 24/7 on my upper eyelids. I just want to see if it transfers, just because I'm curious, and I have Je ne sais quoi lip gloss stain on my lips. I wanted to update you. I've had my hair trimmed, and I've had my hair colored, and I have her always leave some gray. And she was really impressed with how thick my hair was on top still. It is growing faster because that's the area I derma roll. I don't really want my hair to grow any faster, but I do like the thickness. In fact, I am so used to trying to find things that make my hair thicker. Sunday is one of my subscribers, and she sent me the name of a vitamin that she said really thickened up her hair. Well, I immediately ordered them. And when I got them, I thought, my hair is thick enough. I don't need to take these. And then she said, you need to take them 6 months. So I'm not going to send the vitamins back. I'm going to take them for a month. But I'm still in that mindset that I need to find something that will thicken my hair. And I am fine with it the way it is right now. I don't think it'll get any thicker. If I'm still using the derma roller after I shampoo my hair. And I shampoo about I either have 3 days in between. Usually it's about 3 days in between from the time I wash it. If I wash it on Monday, I wash it on Friday. Then if I wash it on Friday, I wash it on Tuesday. That's, you know, I don't have certain days to do my hair. Right now I've been really comfortable sitting in here because of the temperature. Jim has been home a lot, but I still want to film out in my hallway. I miss it there, and when the sun is good, I look forward to doing that. But right now I've just had 2 daylight bulbs in pole lamps, and that's what's working. I can see my face is really shiny. If you're interested in seeing how my Ulta Beauty mattifying balm works, I will show you. I just use a beauty blender. It didn't come with, I don't think it came with a sponge. And with this, I have to kind of rub it in. With a Mally Pore Defender, I just dab it in. But look at this. I just want to show you. Yeah, you can see the circles under my eyes. I just want to thank you all so much for watching my channel, for subscribing, for giving me the thumbs up, for commenting. It pretty well just blows me away. It is all good. It's very good. I'm in my summer pajamas, still in summer pajamas. And one of these days it's going to be autumn and I just cannot be happier. You all take care and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. It was in 1884. And so